New tires and wheels are one of the easiest ways to upgrade the look of your golf cart. Today we're going to go over the tire and wheel basics to help you make the best selection. Wheels are where you can be creative and really customize your cart. They come in 10, 12, and 14 inches tall. We offer them in many different colors, finishes, and some even have interchangeable color inserts. If you're in the market for new tires, but you need to figure out what your rim size is, there's a pretty easy way to figure this out. You're going to measure across the face of the rim and subtract an inch. Here we have a little over 13 inches. Again, the wheels only come in hole sizes, 10, 12, and 14. We're going to subtract an inch for the lip. That gives us a 12-inch rim. Next, on the inside of the wheel, you're going to measure from inside to inside here. We have a 7-inch wide rim, so we have a 12 by 7 wheel. While you're shopping for wheels, you may notice that they all come with an offset. What the offset describes is where the wheel is mounted in relation to the center of the wheel. Most wheels have a negative offset. What this means is that the wheel mounts closer to the cart but gives it a wider stance. Now that you know more about wheels and tires, head on over to nivelparts.com for our full selections.